The 4th of October 2022 we have Kumianpää, but we have to check the name in Swedish later. Putting one staircase. This is the last staircase in this residential building from H to A. We will film them.
Yeah.
All the 8 ones. But 2 do not have the sticks I and J, not the 10th one.
Yeah.
They didn't build elevators there. Although they could have, but they didn't.
Yeah.
It was built in 1967, turning 55 years old this year in 2022. The server is H14960, and this is here in Laajasalo, Helsinki. We expect it in 2024. Open during the daytime.
Yeah.
Also do the floor meter from K to 4 here.
Yeah.
Later. So I've done in one of them.
Niin, tippaakin vähän sitten menten paisille. That's